Check-in excitement?
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm Emma Parker, and I have a reservation.
Wonderful, Ms. Parker. We have a deluxe room reserved for you. May I see your ID and credit card for check-in?
Of course. Here are my documents.
Thank you, Ms. Parker. While I'm processing this, would you like some information about our hotel services?
Absolutely, I'd love that. What amenities do you have, and are there any local attractions worth exploring?
Certainly. Our hotel boasts a luxurious spa, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and a rooftop restaurant with a breathtaking view of the city. As for local attractions, there's a charming park just a block away, perfect for a leisurely stroll.
That sounds fantastic. I might explore the park tomorrow. How about any events or activities within the hotel?
We often host live music events in our lobby lounge, and there's a guided city tour available for guests who want to delve into the local culture.
That's wonderful to know. I'll definitely check out the live music. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome, Ms. Parker. Your room key is ready. Enjoy your stay.
Poolside relaxation. Hey there. Mind if I join you by the pool?
Not at all. The more, the merrier. How's your day been, Sophie?
Pretty good. I explored the city in the morning. Now, it's time to relax. Have you had a chance to check out the pool bar?
Not yet, but that sounds like a plan. What's your go-to poolside drink?
I usually go for a classic mojito. How about you?
Mojito it is. Let's grab some seats by the pool bar and enjoy the sunshine. By the way, have you tried the spa here?
Not yet, but I heard it's fantastic. We should definitely check it out later.
Absolutely, after the pool, we can unwind at the spa. Sounds like a perfect day. Concierge assistance.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and I'm looking for recommendations on places to visit around the hotel.
Hi, Olivia. Nice to meet you. Are you interested in museums, shopping, or perhaps experiencing some local cuisine?
I'm a bit of a museum enthusiast, but I also love trying local food.
Great. There's a fantastic museum just a short walk from here, showcasing both contemporary and historical exhibits. And for food, there's a popular street nearby with a variety of restaurants serving local delicacies.
That sounds perfect. Could you also recommend a good spot to catch the sunset?
Certainly. There's a beautiful viewpoint in the city park that offers a stunning sunset view. It's a local favorite.
Thanks, Daniel. I'll make sure to visit those places. Unexpected encounters.
Hey, I didn't expect to run into you here. How's everything going?
Chris, what a surprise! I'm here for a work conference. How about you?
Same. This city is full of surprises. Have you had a chance to explore beyond the hotel?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of checking out the local market this afternoon. Heard they have amazing handmade crafts.
That sounds interesting. Mind if I join you? Exploring markets is always more fun with company.
Absolutely. It's a plan. We can grab a coffee from a nearby cafe afterward.
Looking forward to it. See you in the lobby around 3 p.m.
Perfect. See you then. Farewell chat.
It's been such a great trip, hasn't it?
Totally. The city, the hotel, everything exceeded my expectations.
I'm glad we decided to explore this place together. By the way, did you manage to try the local specialty they recommended at the hotel restaurant?
Oh yes, that dish was amazing. I even got the recipe to try it at home.
Smart move. I should have done the same. Anyway, it's our last night. Any specific plans?
I was thinking of a cozy nightcap at the hotel bar. How about you?
Perfect way to end the trip. Let's meet there in an hour.
Deal. Here's to a fantastic trip and many more adventures ahead.